In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover or reset your Microsoft Teams password. Whether you're using Teams for personal reasons through a free Microsoft account, there may be occasions when you find yourself needing to reset your password. Maybe you've simply forgotten it, or perhaps you just want to enhance your security. Whatever the reason, I'm here to guide you through each step of the process so you can regain access swiftly and smoothly. We'll begin by heading over to the Microsoft Password Reset page. This is your starting point and is essential for all kinds of password recovery. Once there, you'll be greeted with a few options, but go ahead and choose "I forgot my password." This will direct you to a series of prompts designed to verify your identity and help you set a new password. Click Next to continue. Next, you'll need to enter your Microsoft account email. This is the same email you use to access Microsoft Teams, so make sure you enter it correctly. Once you've input your email, follow the prompts provided by Microsoft, which will guide you through the next stages of the process safely and securely. At this point, it's time to choose how you want to receive your security code. Microsoft offers multiple options, such as sending the code to your registered email or phone. Pick the method that's most convenient and accessible for you, then click Get Code. Keep an eye on your chosen device or email inbox because you'll receive a security code shortly. This code is essential for verifying your identity and is a key step in ensuring your account's security. When you've received the code, enter it in the designated space on the Microsoft Reset page. This step confirms that you're the rightful owner of the account. After entering the code, you'll be able to create a new password. Be sure to choose a password that's both strong and memorable for you, blending a mix of uppercase letters, symbols, and numbers. Once you've decided on the new password, confirm it by entering it again into the specified field. Finally, submit your new password. After successfully resetting, you'll be ready to sign back into Microsoft Teams with your updated login credentials. This fresh password will allow you seamless access moving forward, and you can carry on with your account as usual. Remember, keeping your password secure and private is essential to maintaining the security of your account. However, if you ever need to change or reset it again, know that you're just a few steps away from doing so efficiently. I hope this guide helped you navigate the password reset process with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials.